Welcome, Word Study friends, to your Word Study test, Sort J, number 73. Before we begin our test, I just want to make sure that you have autocorrect, auto capitalization, spell check, and predictive turned off in your settings. You can pause the video at any time to do that. You can also pause the video if I'm going too fast and you need time to write your answers. We're going to begin with our words. We have 10 today, and then your discovery. Your first word is not. Please get the knot out of my shoelace. Knot. Your second word is wrote. She wrote me a letter while she was on vacation. Wrote. Your third word is course. Which course will you play on in Minecraft? Course. Number 4, horse. Paul Revere rode a horse. Horse. Number 5, grown. All of you have grown so much since the beginning of 5th grade. Grown. Number 6 is clothes. Do you pick out your clothes each night before bed for school the next day? Clothes. Number 7 is sore. I fell yesterday and hurt my finger, and now it's sore. Sore. Number 8 is hoarse. My voice is hoarse because I have a cold. Hoarse. Number 9, close. Please close the door so when we cheer, no one will hear. Close. Number 10, whole. I am so hungry, I feel like I could eat the whole pizza. Whole. All right, time for discovery. Please make sure you add your discovery on the test. Also, you can always rewind and go back if you missed anything to go over. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day. Sorry if my voice sounds weird, but I have a cold. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. All right, bye.
She said, all right, bye.
Okay. All right, bye.